They trying to kill me. My name is Brenda. Brenda. Not Demarcus. My name is Demarcus.
Hey, we got an officer stabbed here. We got an officer stabbed.
When they take me away from here tonight, I'll be dead. They're gonna kill me. Remember what I say. Y'all tourists that's leaving, remember what I say. My body's supposed to be in some kind of water.
On October 11, 2023, officers in Decatur, Georgia confronted an armed female subject in mental health crisis.
Taser deployed, but I missed her. Hey, you got yours? Back up, LT. Ma'am.
No.
Put it down.
Do what y'all gotta do here. Don't wait to take me out in the street.
Just put it down.
Put my body in the woods like y'all.
Put the weapon down.
Post it. Post it.
Put the weapon down, ma'am.
Ma'am. Listen to me now. I put that on my kids.
An officer manages to pepper spray the suspect, but gets stabbed in the leg as she lunges at him.
Nice out. We got it. He's stabbed. Give me a tourniquet. Get that hand.
They trying to kill me. My name is Brenda. Brenda. Not Demarcus. My name is Demarcus.
Hey, we got an officer stabbed here. Remember
what I say. They trying to kill me outside of here.
We got an officer stabbed in the leg.
You're trying to make me stop breathing, sir. Quit.
Calm down.
Handcuffs. I ain't moving. Quit.
Like that.
Carlos Martinez. He just got out of prison. Shadow Miguel Morenci. They trying to kill me. Remember this. Listen to me. Trust what I say. They holding me down so I can't breathe. Stop, man. I ain't even moving, man.
368,
Stop. Get off me. I ain't even moving. My name is Brenda Carr. They gonna try to say my name is Demarcus.
Working a signal 88.
Remember what I say. 1719 Columbia Drive, Decatur, Georgia. They took my license. They took all my credentials. They're trying to make me somebody else. Tabitha Williams.
Hey, tell them I don't need no help. I don't know why they can't hear me.
All these police officers are involved. When they take me away from here tonight, I'll be dead. They're gonna kill me. Remember what I say. Y'all tourists that's leaving, remember what I say. My body's supposed to be in some kind of water. They're gonna kill me.
We're receiving word that there's an officer shot. Please out checkpoint.
I need the trauma cast. Let's get this on him.
3716 advised that she's detained. We're receiving word that there's a possible officer shot. Please out checkpoint. Can someone advise?
My radio still. Ask them, do they have a unit to come take custody of her so she could be out of this scene?
Where is the wound? I need trauma
Matt, do we have a unit coming to get her to move her out of here?
Okay, no problem, sir.
Get her out of here. Get a unit to take her off the scene.
See, he's involved too. Listen, this officer's involved.
Please out checkpoint. Can someone advise?
Take care of radio. She takes her shot. Turn that thing off. Let's pick it up.
It's all right.
How many bell keepers you wearing? 2 in the back. All right.
I'm gonna roll him.
He's got bell keepers on.
Yep.
He's got bell keepers on.
Does he? Okay.
I want to roll him, but as soon as you're done, I got you. You're good. Wait a second.
David, you're right. Just let everybody.
You guys need another tourniquet? Or?
You got it.
No, we could use another one.
Okay.
I'd rather it be painful.
I got one right here.
You got one? I got one
Grab it
too.
for my gun.
Here, right here. I got you.
Is there anybody else stabbed or just him?
There's another.
Where?
At Truist. I don't know if it's that.
I'm not going nowhere. Just wipe my eyes.
Hey!
We got it.
Wipe my eyes.
Oh.
All right.
What's your weapon? Give me the hand.
Wipe my eyes.
Bring your hand out.
Bring it. Give me the hand. Give it.
Wipe my eyes. Wipe my eyes, please. Wipe my eyes. Wipe my eyes.
Stand by.
You gotta take it. Wipe my eyes. That's my brother. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
No. I don't know about the mail. That's all.
I know that's the officer. Where's the male that was stabbed in the chest?
Someone got stabbed at Truist.
Wipe my eyes, please. Wipe my eyes. Just wipe my eyes. Wipe my eyes, please. Just wipe my eyes. Just wipe my eyes. Wipe my eyes.
Sit down.
Can you just wipe my eyes?
Sit down.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wipe my eyes.
Somebody stay with her.
Somebody was trying to kill me. Wipe my eyes, please. This is burning.
We're going to take care of it.
I know that.
Right here. I got a knife right here.
Come inside. Who has her weapon secured?
Wipe my
I
eyes.
got it. I got it.
Please, sir. Please. Take these clothes off me, please. Don't do this.
Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah.
They're going to take care of it.
Y'all was going to do it anyway. Please.
They got blood on it. You guys with them gloves?
Go ahead and let's go. Stand up.
Radio 3704.
I put my gloves on real quick.
That's fine, ma'am. Go ahead and stand up.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Come on.
I can't.
I'll be right where
I can't.
go.
Hey, LT, we're gonna transport.
Requesting a mobile unit for the female.
Yeah, if you could get up underneath her other arm, we'll stand her up. We'll take her back down there. Go from the other
Where
side.
is she at?
Go from the front side back.
That's fine.
1, 2, 3.
Stick around, man.
Come on.
Radio 3718.
I don't know. It's just, I mean, it's just as quick. Just walk down here real quick. I just don't want to play the fucking ragdoll game. So if we got a wheelchair, we set her in that and walk her down.
Let's go. I'm burning.
Yeah, that's what O.C. does.
Oh, shit.
If you can meet me right over here, this next cut through, that'd be great. I see nothing. Never mind. You boys have a good time today?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
3796 radio.
Move on.
What's going on?
Lean back.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on?
Lean back.
It's burning.
I know it's burning.
4707 Aggravated assault. Do you have someone meet me on airport dispatch attack 1 to advise on the situation?
Can you wipe me off?
I can't do anything right now.
Okay. What's going on? Why am I going in there?
Come on.
Take the handcuffs off me.
Come on.
I take the handcuffs off me.
Stand up, ma'am.
Okay.
Stand up.
Can y'all take these handcuffs?
No, absolutely not.
Walk right on in there.
Yeah.
Hey, did anybody actually go through? Come on.
Did they what? Did they actually what?
Check you for weapons.
I ain't got nothing else on me.
I don't know what you had to begin with.
A knife. They let me walk in with that.
They let you walk in with what?
Kill me.
Who's that?
I don't know. Glenwood. Glenwood. Can you take this off and walk?
Not right now. Hang on. Give me 1 second.
Yes, sir. Can I get some water though?
Well, I'm going to double check, see if we can get you something here in a second, okay?
Please, can I get some water? Please don't let me in here without the water. They already told me I was going to be George Floyd. Please give me some water.
it.
Please. Please.
Sit down.
Yes, sir.
He asked you twice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Final crime scene right here, right on the south checkpoint.
Yes, sir. Can I get some water, please?
Hang on. Move over here. Move to your right.
Can I get some
South
water?
checkpoint.
Can I get some water? 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 Oh, can I get some water? Can you take the handcuffs off me? I'm in the cell already.
Handcuffs are staying.
Why? Can I get some water? Can I get some water?
Record or something like that.
One officer was stabbed in the leg. This is a legal and tactical analysis of that encounter. Teen warning. This footage involves use of force and officer injury. Age restricted. Viewer discretion advised. The central legal question: was the force used proportionate, lawful, and tactically sound? Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, force is judged by objective reasonableness, not hindsight. Three factors govern: severity of the crime, immediate threat to officers, and active resistance by the subject. Here, all three factors were present. The subject was armed, refused commands, and ultimately attacked an officer. Officers issued multiple verbal commands before any force was used, consistent with de-escalation protocol. The decision to deploy O.C. spray rather than lethal force is the most legally significant choice in this footage. D. Garner, 1985, limits deadly force to situations where the suspect poses a threat of death or serious injury. Subject who ignores commands meets that threshold. Officers could have legally escalated to lethal force. Chose O.C. spray instead. That restraint was lawful, but it carried tactical risk, and that risk materialized. Two-wheeler drill establishes that a subject with an edged weapon can close 21 feet in approximately 1.5 seconds. These must maintain reactionary gap, sufficient distance to respond before an attacker reaches striking range. Where that gap was maintained here cannot be fully confirmed from the footage. This warrants internal review. Paragraph 16.521. The subject's act of stabbing an officer constitutes aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. 16.524. Aggravated battery also applies. Both are felonies under Georgia law. Statements: multiple identities, conspiracy claims, paranoid ideation are clinically significant, consistent with acute psychosis or paranoid schizophrenia, conditions recognized under Georgia mental health law. TJ 31 authorizes involuntary psychiatric evaluation when an individual poses danger to self or others. Subject's behavior met that threshold before any physical contact occurred. CIT activation was critical here. Post requires crisis intervention team training. CIT protocols prioritize de-escalation for mental health calls. CIT was activated before contact cannot be confirmed from footage alone. That determination requires review. Post-arrest, the subject was exposed to O.C. spray and repeatedly requested water. Decontamination was delayed. 14th Amendment guarantees due process rights in custody, including basic medical care for force-caused conditions. Decontamination, if documented, could support a Section 1983 civil rights claim under 42 U.S.C. paragraph 1983. Officers maintained handcuff restraint throughout. Given a demonstrated knife attack, this is objectively reasonable. O.C.G.A. 17.420 authorizes restraint of felony committed in an officer's presence. Legal basis is clear. Time of this analysis: no confirmed criminal charges or court records are publicly available for this case. On the footage, probable charges include aggravated assault on Leo and aggravated battery, both felonies. A mental health defense, not guilty by reason of insanity or guilty but mentally ill, may be raised in court. That determination belongs to the courts and appointed mental health professionals. This analysis cannot resolve it. Responding officers receive a B+. Officer-exercised restraint by choosing less lethal force when lethal force was legally authorized under Garner. The immediate medical response for the stabbed officer was appropriate. Composure under extreme stress was maintained. O.C. decontamination was delayed. Pre-contact tactical positioning warrants further internal review. Subject receives a D. Armed in public, refused lawful commands, and stabbed a law enforcement officer, constituting felony conduct. D, not F, reflects visible signs of acute mental health crisis, which may affect culpability under Georgia law. Criminal intent and mental competency are for the courts to determine. The act itself remains a serious felony. The department receives a B. Restraint reflects adequate use of force training. Medical response on scene was prompt and professional. Protocol adherence unconfirmed. O.C. decontamination delay may indicate policy gap. Review recommended. Just learned. First, edged weapons demand reactionary gap discipline. Closing distance during O.C. deployment is high risk. Second, mental health indicators visible before force escalated. Early CIT activation can alter the outcome. Third, restraint under lethal threat is commendable, but must be paired with tactical positioning to remain safe. post-use of force decontamination is a legal obligation, not optional. Delayed care creates civil liability. Officers cannot diagnose mental illness, but behavioral indicators must trigger specialized response protocols. The legal framework exists, the training exists. Execution in the field determines whether rights are protected. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.